Okay, right, time is pressing on. I've got a customer turning up in literally 45 minutes. He's riding his bike all the way down from Manchester to have the package 1 deal that I've got on the website fitted to his bike. So this is these are all the parts that come in the package 1 deal, and I thought you might appreciate it if I just show you and open it all up and like do an unpacking process. What we get in the package 1 is this very heavy duty, not too heavy because we don't want to slow the bike down, heavy duty mount which fits under the beak of the bike. There's that. There's a fitting kit that comes with it as well. The little bit of magic, this is the CanSmart controller. So these are all the wires with it. I'm not going to unpack all this right now because this is the last thing that I fit when I install this. And I'm actually installing this afternoon in the workshop to a customer's bike. But there's the CanSmart in here. Lots of wires. Oops. Cable ties falling everywhere. So there's the CanSmart. It's going to go on the customer's bike. So put that to one side for now. We've got the sound horn. Which is here. That's the sound horn. And I've got a mount for this somewhere here. Oh, here it is. It's in this bag here. Little mount which fits to the top of the sound horn, so it fits between the forks of the bike. There's the sound horn. Put that back in there for now. And then we've got the D4s. I'll unpack one D4 just so you can see that these are incredible quality. So what I like to do is is fit the light to the bar ahead of when I install the bar to the bike. So this here is a spare lens which has the 4 spots. So if you didn't want the floodlight, the hybrid lens on your D4s, you could have this, which would give you just long range lights. And here is the D4. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely, lovely, lovely light. And that will literally fit on there like that. And you won't see this bar at all when it's all fitted on. But I'm going to install these on here now. So when my customer arrives in the next 45 minutes, I'll literally just be able to offer this up onto the bike. I won't have to put these on separately whilst he's here. Just make the whole fitting assembly quicker. And then once that's done, I've got another customer coming tomorrow morning to have the same kit as well. So these kits are selling very quickly. So I think there are 2, maybe 3 kits left on the site at the very low price that I'm offering. So if you want to get this kit, the D4s, the sound bomb, and the mounts and the CanSmart on your bike, there's 2 or 3 kits left on the website as of now, abikething.com. You need to get on there now and buy this. And if you want me to fit it for you in the Northamptonshire area, more than happy to do that at a fee we can discuss, or just take delivery. And it's very easy to install yourself by following one of the videos that's on my channel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, can you please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Really wanting to grow this site, this YouTube site, so I can bring you more videos and more interesting things. And also, if you're not on my Instagram, get on my Instagram, abikething.com, or I think no, Instagram, abikething. Right, okay, got to crack on.